Welcome to another video from Oven Lovin'. I'm Susie, and today we're going to be making 3 different kinds of cookie with one base recipe and some extra ingredients. So to start off, we're going to have some oats, eggs, butter, raisins, peanut butter, vanilla, granulated sugar, brown sugar, chocolate chips, flour, salt, and baking soda. If you want to know how much of each you're going to need for the recipe, all the exact amounts of each each ingredient will be in the description below. To start off, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
We salt our butter in microwave for 15 to 20 seconds, then pour brown sugar into it. It may take a while to mix them well. Now add sugar. Two large eggs. Mix until it's smooth. Last, one and only vanilla extract. Now, let's put dry ingredient into wet ingredient, then mix them well. Some muscle is really needed for this part, so we change a spatula into a wooden spoon. We've divided our butter into 3 portions. Now, we are making oatmeal and raisin cookies. It will stick on your spoon, so just use your hands. Your friends won't mind. Next, we'll make peanut butter cookies. We have to admit that hands are our best tool. Next, let's put chocolate chips into our batter and make chocolate chips cookies. Oatmeal, raisin, chocolate chips, and peanut butter. Those will melt, so don't bake too many doughs at one time. They'll stick together. And don't ask me how I know that. Now it's done. This is our 3 different kinds of cookies within one base recipe.
These are some really good cookies. Now, if you'll excuse me, I will be back later.
Thanks for our generous sponsor. If you like our video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe.